Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Pendleton here. I miss you. If you're at home and you're bored and you want a fun game to play, I'm going to show you how to use dominoes if you have any, or if you can make your own. You can use dominoes to play a game, and our first game is Domino Top-It. Some of you probably remember this from a while ago. If not, stay tuned because you're going to learn how. Even if you're drawing your own domino cards, that's okay. You can always print them off online if you have a computer printer at home. You could draw them on index cards, put them on a piece of paper, and cut them out. Okay, there's lots of different ways you can do this. You can use regular number cards to play Top-It, which I'm sure you all know that so well by now, since you've been doing that in first grade and all of kindergarten. Okay, so Top-It is finding the bigger number. Okay, bigger number wins in a Top-It game. Parents, if you remember playing card games as a kid, you might remember the game called War, where you have however many players and a deck of cards. You sort out cards so every player has the same amount of cards. And you turn them face down and say 1, 2, 3, war. And you flip over your top card, and out of everyone who's playing, whoever had the biggest number would be the winner, and they would get to collect the cards from the other players. Okay, well, Top-It works the same way as War. You can play with number cards in math, or like I'm about to show you, you can play with dominoes. Okay, so if you don't feel like making number cards and you don't have any at home, and you do have dominoes, here we go. This is a good game. Okay, so just like in the number card Top-It or in War, we have to make sure every player has the same amount. Since my daughter's giving me a hard time and doesn't want to do her own schoolwork, you are going to play with me, everyone. You're going to be player 2, and I'll be player 1. Okay, so you start by mixing up your cards, or dominoes in this case. And then I'm going to turn them all face down, just like you play in the game. And then we'll have to make 2 piles with an equal number of Top-It dominoes for player 1 and player 2. Okay, so my dominoes are face down. So I'm going to start sorting them just like you would shuffle cards or you would sort cards. Okay, shuffle means to mix up. So the dominoes are shuffled or mixed up. They're face down so we can't see what's on them. Now we're going to make a player 1 pile and a player 2 pile. Now dominoes are kind of hard to stack, so my pile is going to be more like a group. For player 1, group for 2. Here's player 1 and player 2. My phone sideways so you can see. Okay, now turn it back up and down again. All right, so player 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 dominoes. Let's make sure player 1 has the same amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep. So turn it into math, boys and girls, while I make these nice and even columns here. What is 12 plus 12? If you're not sure, you could count the dominoes while I do this to see what 12 plus 12 is. That's real world math while you're setting up a math game. Okay, so there, player 1's dominoes are in a nice, neat line, column, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so player 1 has 12, player 2 has 12. If you're trying to figure out what 12 plus 12 is, you're going to be counting these up as I move them into place. 12 plus 12, if you counted them, you would have got 24. Okay, so all together, our sum or our total number of dominoes is 24. But player 1 has 12 and player 2 has 12. Okay, so this is what the setup could look like with dominoes. If you're using number cards to play Top-It or a regular old card deck, you would just put them in 2 piles instead of putting them all like this. Okay, this way is just easier with dominoes. Okay, when you play Top-It, it's going to be kind of hard for me to hold my phone and at the same time flip both over. But on Top-It, it's 1, 2, 3, Top-It, or 1, 2, 3, flip, and we flip over the top card. For Domino Top-It, you're going to flip over the top domino in each of the columns. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, I'm going to have to do it one at a time. So player 1 has 1, 2, 3, Top-It. This player 2 has 1, 2, 3, Top-It. To figure out the winner, you would have to go by the biggest number. So you would have to find the sum of domino 1, which is 5 plus 4. What is this domino, everyone? 9. Good. So player 1 turned over a sum of 9. Player's 2 domino has a sum of 7 because 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, 4 brown. So 4, 5, 6, 7. So who won? Player 1 with 9 or player 2, you boys and girls, with 7? Good. Player 1 had 9 and 9 is bigger than 7. So I'm going to take both dominoes and I get a point. Well, actually I get 2 points so far. Okay, so let's play another round. I'm player 1. I flipped over 1, 2, 3, this domino. And you're player 2. Ready? 1, 2, 3. There's what you have. Did I win this time? Or did you? Looks like I win again. Because my domino was 3 plus 5. What's the sum of 3 plus 5? 8. And your domino is 5 plus 2. The sum of 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, 8 beats 7, so I add it to my winning pile. Okay, boys and girls, you have to do better than that. I'm just kidding. All right, player 1, me, Mrs. Pendleton, has this one. 4 plus 2. And you, boys and girls, have 5 plus 1. Who's the winner this time? That's right. Tie. Okay, I have 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. And you have a sum of 6 because 5 plus 1 is 6. So both of our dominoes are 6. Okay, even though we showed 6 in 2 different ways, we tied. So we have to go to our tiebreaker. If you're playing the card game War, it would have been I declare war. This time, we're just going to pull up our next 2 dominoes and 1, 2, 3, flip. Okay, this time I flipped over a devil's domino, 4 and 4, okay, which is 8. And you flipped over 6, 7, 8, 9. So your domino this time was 9, mine was 8. So who won? You did, boys and girls, player 2. That means you get all of the 4 dominoes because you won the tiebreaker. Look at that. So now you have your own little winning collection. There's mine. This is a good game, boys and girls. Here we go. I flipped another doubles. 6 plus 6. Or 12. Good. And yours is 4 and 6 is 10. I guess I won that one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, flip. Who's the winner here? Mrs. Pendleton or you? I win again. My domino is 7 because I have 1 dot plus 6 dots. That will be 7. You have 5 dots plus 0, okay, because there's blank. That's 5. So 7 is bigger than 5. I get both dominoes. And we still have some left, so don't worry. You can still win or catch up. Who is the winner? If you need to pause the video to figure out the sums, do that now. Okay, the winner this time is you. You have 6 and 5 is 11. So your domino is 11 and mine is 8. 6 plus 2 is 8. So you get both dominoes. Okay, so there's my pile so far. There's yours, boys and girls. You're catching up. I have 2 and you have, that's right, you have 4. So who is the winner? You. See, I think you're caught up. This game is getting really, really good. We're almost done. Oh, my domino is a total of 0. Your domino is 5 because you have 4 brown plus 1 blue. 4 plus 1 is 5. You won that round. Look, you're getting a nice little winning pile. We have 3 left, 3 rounds left. Top it. My domino is 3 and yours is 6. Which one wins, 3 or 6? Me or you? You do again. I told you you could still beat me. Oh, we only have 2 rounds left, boys and girls. Who will come out as the winner of the whole game? I flipped over 4. And you flipped over 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 0 is 3. My number is bigger, so I get to collect. Last round. 1, 2, 3. Top it. You can clearly see you win because your domino is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. And my domino is 6 because 3 plus 3 is 6. They're both doubles dominoes, but yours is bigger. Now, that was the end of Top It. Now we have to count each domino as 1 point. And for every domino you have, it's a point. Whoever has the most points is the winner. So let's see who has the most. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 10 dominoes, which means you have 2. You can count by 2s. 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 dominoes. So altogether you have 14 points and I only have 10. So you won this game of Domino Top-It. Give yourselves a round of applause. Yay! Okay, I hope you had fun playing Domino Top-It. If you come across any dominoes at home or if you can make your own, feel free to play your own games of Domino Top-It with somebody at your house. If you don't have a friend or a sibling to play with, you could play with a parent, or you could pretend like we just did here with one of your stuffed animals or your Barbies or another toy that you have. Okay, so that's another game and another way to practice math using dominoes. I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for some more games that you can play if you have a set of dominoes at home. Thank you for tuning in. Miss you.